When your household items stop working, do you simply throw them away? Well, you're not alone. In the UK, roughly 155,000 tonnes of smaller household electricals end up in our bins every year, which, once in landfill, can release toxic substances that are damaging to the environment. With shows like BBC's The Repair Shop bringing fixing up and reusing old items back into the mainstream, volunteer group Upcycle Kernow in Redruth have decided to offer a similar service to Cornwall.
Today's our repair cafe and we have a team of volunteer fixers down here, all with their own skills and experiences. And it's a place dedicated to fixing your domestic items from home. So that's anything from sewing machines to hair dryers to hedge trimmers to hoovers, all sorts of different things.
I've been coming down here now for probably about 2 years. I came down because, I always liked the idea of fixing something. By my very nature, I don't like throwing things away. I mean, it can be quite wasteful.
I think it's down to this stepper motor here. We're just trying things out just to see.
First of all, think how much money you can save and what you can do with that money. Secondly, like old stuff rocks. You can reuse it, you can repurpose it. If you can find a skill to remake something, whether that's through embroidery or sewing, or whether it's through woodwork or joinery, then remake everything as much as you can. Like, as I say, think about how much money you're going to save. Think about the individuality of that item. You're going to save the planet. I know that sounds like a real old-fashioned thing to say, save the planet, but all of those resources can be reused and repurposed, and it's fun and it saves you loads of money.
To find out more about how you can get help to fix your broken household items, you can visit their website, upcyclekernow.org.